True Jamaican Vibes, Fire Reid. So guys, I am now I'm in Manchester, one place I'm calling him Williamsfield. Yeah man, we're in the Williamsfield area. So big up on yourself, anyone who watch from here and abroad, you can big up on yourself. And you know, in the Williamsfield area, they have a coffee factory down here. Yeah man, when you come in the Williamsfield area, similar nice coffee scent there in Williamsfield. So big up all the Williamsfield people. Big up on yourself. Big up on yourself. Yeah man, big up on yourself again. Take a tour of the place here and see what go on. A lot of potholes. Yeah man, so take on the time. So we're gonna take the first exit. Will take us to the Kirkvine area. If we take the second one, we'll take you back to the old porous side, the old porous road. Yeah man, before them build up the highway. Them road they we used to take, you know. A lot of traffic at them place there. So leave in the comment section where you're watching from. Yeah man, see that nice Ray and nephew, the official spirit of Jamaica. Yeah man. If you make the right turn, will take you all into the content area. So we're very close to the Windalco. The left turn is coming up right here. That will take you all to the Windalco plant. Yeah man, if you make the left turn right here. So a lot of people don't know how to find the Windalco. Yeah man, so that is how you can get to that area. Yeah man, they see that for sure it's the police up on the road. You see the guys that flash them light indicating that police is on the road. So Jamaica have a lot of road code in us, so when I travel Jamaica, guys are telling us the police up on the road by indicating, flashing their lights couple times fast flash. Leave in the comment section. Yeah man, tell me what you think. If you know about this area, if you have any information about this area, leave it in the comment section. So when I come off them hill here, you have to be very careful. Always try to drive in low gear. Remember we say we there Manchester, my paper. supposed to call them place a Pen Hill. Like them stick here go chill on, you know. So school zone ahead, speed limit 30 kilometers. Yeah man, so care for the children them on the road. The kids is the future, you know. We're now in the Mizpah area. On your left, we have the Mizpah Primary School. So we are now in the Mizpah area. So guys, thank you all for watching the channel. True Jamaican Vibes, Fire Reid.